Good morning, guys. This is the day 2 here in Vancouver. So, it's time to lakwatsa muna. We have the two kids at the back. Yan ang mga sakay namin ngayon. Sevi and Ezekiel. Okay, say hi. Come on. Oh, cool. Oh, so paglaki nyo, magkita kayo.
Ay, ang galing pala nung
Oh no,
Tapos ikaw
guys.
naka-jacket ka.
Ginawa nga ako eh. Oh, let's go. This is what? The St. Luke's
Yan.
Church?
St. Luke's Parish.
Catholic Church. I thought St. Luke's Medical Center. So, it's Sunday morning. So, simba muna bago gala. So, this is the best friends. I hope so. For life. And then these are the best friends too.
Yes.
Aha.
4 years na ba kayo? Almost.
Diba? Sisimba muna kami with the gang bago maglakwatsa. Come on guys, join us. Magdasal muna tayo bago lumayas. Quiet.
They were just coming out from there.
So kanya-kanya silang trip. So yung dalawa din yan, kanya-kanyang trip. O diba? Nasa simbahan yan guys. Etong dalawa din. Nasa simbahan.
Sabi, I'm ready. 3, 2. Oh! It'll never stop.
Okay, come on. Don't play with the rocks. Ganda talaga ng punong to sa makakita oh. Punong pink.
parang alam mo yun yung popcorn na strawberry flavor.
Aha. Ganda, 'di ba? Oh. This is the St. Luke's Church.
Video na yung basketball na yun. Sige, Jen. Pag may mga lagang tip.
Because we are the superheroes. You're not a superhero. I'm a superhero.
Super.
We're going on the ball pit first. Now to go to the
We're here now
Minecraft.
in Chawasan Mills.
Alright. It's gonna be super fun. It's magic. We can make it to a tall building or anything we want.
Is this the big outlet here?
Come on.
Okay, inside of Chawasan Mills. Oh guys, we are here at the outdoor shop where you can find something related to outdoor. Oh, the Bass Pro. Okay. Yan guys. Yan siya. Fishing and all. The fitting room guys. And this is the sikat daw sa atin sa Pilipinas, the Carhartt.
Parang ang ganda ng ano niya.
I know, the tela. This is more okay than DJ na ginagamit.
What?
Ayan guys, so ang ganda lang. Wow. And also, there is an aquarium of what? I don't know what kind of fish it is. Huh? Yun na nga, nag-purchase na siya ng something dito kay Samsonite. Ah.
You might want it in, sir. Sometimes it just gets fishy.
Purchase kami ng something na iregalo namin kay tatay. Oh.
Look at him.
We're heading to, what's the next stop? MacArthur Designer Outlet. Yan. So we're done na doon sa Marsha. We're able to buy something. Guys, nakatulog na yung dalawang bagets namin. Mga napagod. Okay. It's like Hacienda, guys, where you can shop everywhere. So now, let me try here in Tumi. I might get a luggage. Ate, come on. Next stop, going to Vancouver downtown. So we're able to see the
So
traffic
this
now.
is so look this is a
Behind
medal.
me is so
Rock,
talkative.
paper, scissors, rocket launcher, paper. Oh, I lost. I have 2 points. Rock. No, I only have 1. I have 2. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got a gun. I got a gun. This is explosion. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. I won too. I think I got 100. 3 plus 1.
Look at this.
4.
Yay!
I was hiding from it. I was
We're
hiding.
in the downtown now.
Punta na tayo sa downtown
One plus
Vancouver.
1 plus 1 plus 1. 10. Bro, hurry up.
Seb, look at
Where is it? Not Tita's house. Not my
Vancouver
house.
downtown, guys.
There's no Tita house. Tita's house. You remember that gray one? Gray?
yes. Parang ano yung San Miguel
Yeah.
building.
You mean the one down upstairs? Not lying.
Okay.
I'm older than you. I'm bigger. He's lying. I'm not. You lying because
May sikat na tao rin.
you not eat your chicken. The chicken is that good.
Deliver.
Parang may mali pa sa pagkakagawa nito. Tignan mo. Oh, di ba?
Can-deliver tawag dyan.
Can-deliver. Magkakanda-deliver tayo.
Seb, kaya yun yung school ko.
Where?
Sa downtown.
That's the school of DJ. Right after the Regis?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. The
PCS.
school of DJ when he was here in Vancouver.
Tapos dyan ako nagkakapi sa
Graphic
Toronto.
designing, right? This is where you study. We're going to. It's okay, that's fine.
Ay, sige yaw.
If it doesn't.
Are
want
you
to talk
deaf?
to you.
Are you gonna be there?
It's okay if you want to say tricycle because he is tricycle, you know. Look at these kids. Oh, wow.
Not going to be my friend.
Aw, why?
Not going to be them.
Aw.
9.
Ito na ako sa kabilang bit.
Diba? Yan ang napuntahan nating maganda. Yan, tabihan mo sila dito para alam natin na sila yan. O diba naka Mini Cooper ang ate mo? Oh.
Naka-experience na si May ng Mini Cooper.
Mm.
You're not my friend anymore.
Stop it, ah!
Dito na kami sa downtown Vancouver. We're gonna pay our parking first. Electric bus, guys. Uh-huh. Diba? Exploring Vancouver City. Uh-huh.
Saktong-sakto talaga. Sabihin ni
Ayun na nga, guys. Downtown kami ngayon, exploring. That's the station? Oh. This is the train station in Vancouver. So, there you go. It's really nice. Parang Pilipinas lang. Diba? Pero hindi siya ganun kadaming tao, guys. Naghahanap talaga sila ng ice cream, guys. Ayan na nga, diba? Huh? Wow! Okay, guys. PWC. Wow. Welcome. Oh. Diba? Diba? Dito kami ngayon sa downtown.
Wow, look at this limousine.
Wow. Look at the limousine, guys. Waterfront Center. Oh, whoa. Okay, sa mga nakakamiss ng chat time, meron ding chat time dito sa Vancouver. Oh, it's an international bubble tea pala. Diba? Look at the Canadian bird. Fairmont waterfront.
Isa din automatic.
That's a gasoline station in the middle of the sea.
Sa likod niya yun no? Golden Years.
Chevron.
Is that a golden ears?
Golden Line. Ano yun?
It's a Chevron. Which one? Which one, Tay?
Windmill.
Sa taas? Sa pinakataas baka mo? Let's check. What is it?
Parang windmill na may back. Mansion.
It's a windmill.
Pero parang may mansion.
It's a yellow. It's a nice.
Sa Pilipinas to, puro basura na dito.
Tapos nandito kami. Oh, ayan sila. Oh. Oh. Oh, diba? Akala mo nasa barko lang. Oh,
Ay,
diba?
sila yun. Ay, hindi pala.
Where?
Ano?
Port of Vancouver, guys. Ay, against the light to for sure.
Ay, igil yun ha.
Okay, guys. Grabe.
Asan?
Ayan. Kung makita mo paano mag-discarga ng container. Yan yung mga LBC, mga sasakyan. Alam mo yan, yung mga sinishipment.
Yan.
Yung mga cargo. Eh, may mga cargo.
Cargo vessel.
Grabe, ang dami, no?
Ayan na. Pwede
Saan ba?
Ayan o. Malinaw
Yun.
dyan pag sima.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Pero parang liit-liit lang eh, no?
Laki niya.
It's huge. O, ayun na, yung ferry.
Ito naman,
Ano
fast
to?
craft yan ng ano.
Papuntang
Northbound.
Northbound.
North Vancouver. Ooh.
Yung last na, guys. Tingnan mo yung tsura na to.
6:30 yung last ng
mga-
ano no, train. West Coast.
Tingnan mo dito, guys. O, para kang, alam mo yung malalaglag.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
I-inquire natin yun, no? Kung magkano doon, papunta.
Saan?
Mag-elevator ka lang.
Ayan, dyan?
Tapos may-
Dyan?
Oo.
Parang skyscraper nila dito.
Oh, may bayad yan eh, para mag-elevator. Dahil di ganun ka mahal.
Ah.
Parang ano ka lang.
Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglakbay. Jerome, tinalo ka pa ng kapatid mo. Oh, may BFF na siya forever, oh. Oh. Ay,
It's kind of weird because we don't talk anymore.
okay. Actually, guys, we're waiting for this very famous clock. Ooh, ooh. So, yan. Famous daw yan dito sa Vancouver. That's why people are actually waiting. So waiting. And after that, we're gonna try the
It's
donut side of the day.
dinner time.
Imagine. So, let's see. Ayan na.
Oh no, I'm happy.
Let's see. Ayan na siya.
My.
How many minutes? How many minutes?
7 minutes.
Counting, guys. So, ayan na siya. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami.
We're almost there.
It's a long day of
But my
Lakwacha.
Paw Patrol one is broken. Which one?
Set go.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Guys!
Oh, ano to?
Para sa sawi.
Galing from ano? Paris.
Italia. Ay, sarap.
Sarap nga.